Discover the perfect opportunity to embark on your next chapter of life with Shreeji Atlantis at Malad West. This magnificent 45-story tower redefines the essence of luxury living with an array of 30+ lifestyle amenities, promising a life of grandeur and unparalleled convenience. With 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments, with 2 BHK starting from 734 square feet and goes till 770 square feet, and the prices starting from 1.70 CR, and for a 3 BHK the sizes starts from 980 square feet and the prices will be provided on request. So come join us and be a part of this journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of luxury living with an exclusive tour of the stunning sample flat at Shreeji Atlantis in Malad West. I'm your host Smita and we are to explore the epitome of upscale living brought to you by Shreeji Group. So this is the living space of the house as you can see, and now we will be showcasing you the kitchen space of the house. Crafted from high quality materials, these countertops in the kitchen are not only durable but stunning to look. Whether you are preparing a quick breakfast or hosting a dinner party, you have plenty of space. You can see this dry area which has been given to dry out your appliances, your things and your utensils. Space will be never an issue in this kitchen as there are a lot of cabinets and drawer system. Now we will be moving towards the other portions of the house. Just near the living space, you will find your common powder area of the house. The common powder area is a luxury. With its luxurious fitting, spacious layout and thoughtful design, the powder area at Shreeji Atlantis is more than just a place to get ready. Now we are moving towards the bedroom space of the house. This is a very important space of the house as where you can relax and comfort. The bedroom is a comfort and relaxation as with big windows you will be get ample lighting and there is a lot of space for furnishing, so your room will be always ready and not spilled out. So some of the highlights of these projects are they provide aluminium sliding windows and Vitrified floorings for the entire flat with premium sanitary fixtures and CP fittings. The flooring is anti-skid and the wall tiles are ceramic, and you can get naturally ventilated bathrooms, and the apartments are designed to enhance natural sunlight and ventilation with elegant design and finishes near the door. Enjoy an array of external amenities like the swimming pool, banquet hall, open party lawn, multipurpose court, kids play area, gymnasium, clubhouse, EV charging point and many more. Thank you for watching this video and book your dream home today.